Provide excellent customer service. Be attentive to guests' needs and help them during their stay. Address any issues or concerns promptly and professionally. We had nasty experience with maintenance and many other things. But at the same time, we were reacting very fast on any challenges that were going on with the specific building. And guess what? Our guests, they were always happy about our service. Keep the space clean and well maintained. So my control are cleaned, all furniture, behind the bed, behind the curtains, everything is cleaned and everywhere. By doing those procedures and checking your cleaning regularly, you will attract a lot of guests and they will be happy with your cleaning standards. Add personal touches. Provide small touches that make the guest feel welcome, such as fresh flowers, maybe welcome breakfast, welcome basket, or handwritten note. Motivate guests to leave positive reviews by offering incentives or asking for feedback at the end of their stay. Read your reviews regularly and promptly address any feedback, especially negative ones. It really helps.